Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I'm going to show you how I made this broom parking only sign using pretty much almost Dollar Tree supplies. Alright, so for this craft you are going to need a sign blank. Doesn't necessarily have to be this one, but about the size of this one. And I am actually going to take my bunny off of here, and I have already cut some craft paper here. And I'm going to cover my back here with this craft paper because I'm going to use the other side of the sign. I'm just going to hot glue this right onto there. Okay, I have it all covered up. Doesn't look the best. I didn't get it quite straight, but I mean, this looks a lot better for the back side of it. Then for the front side of it, which is going to be the face of my project, I am going to take some Waverly white chalk paint, and that's the color that I am going to paint this sign. So I'm just going to give it a real good coat of the white chalk paint. And I'm going to be using these jumbo craft sticks also, and those are also going to get a coat of the white paint. Okay, I have my sign all painted. It's kind of hard to see because I have a white background and it's white. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Waverly chalk paint and elephant, and I am going to distress my board a little bit. I already didn't paint it the best because I knew I was going to distress it. So I'm just going to up and down my board like this, and then these I'm actually going to put a little bit more paint on. I was actually going to paint them gray, and then I totally forgot and I painted them white, so I'm just going to put a little extra of the gray on my sticks. Okay, I went ahead and I grabbed a different background so that you could see my sign on my project. And what I'm going to do is, some of the lines in there are a little sharper than what I wanted, so I'm just going to take a little piece of sandpaper and I'm just going to sand it a little bit just to tone it down a little bit. Okay, so I am going to put this string back on that came with it, and I'm just going to poke holes in here so I can get my string through. So I'm just going to use the same one that came on the sign, and just pokes right through the back. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I created this in Design Space on my Cricut. You could probably find a printable or something like that online. Look up images on Google, wherever, and you could just print it out on paper and Mod Podge it, and that would look perfectly fine too. So I am just going to try to line this up the best that I can here. Let's try that. Now this paper, the mask here that I'm using, that was just contact paper that I got from Dollar Tree. That stuff actually works really good, and you can reuse it quite a few times, and it does not cost a lot at all. It's $1 for a pretty big roll. But I've been using it for a little bit now, and it works really good. Alright, and that is on there. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do placement for my brooms. I got these brooms from Dollar Tree, and these are actually going to go on here. And I am going to build, it's going to kind of look like a little hanger. Really, it's just going to be these popsicle sticks, or sorry, craft sticks in between there. But I'm going to cut them so the broom kind of sticks out, so it kind of looks like it's sitting in there. Okay, so I decided I wanted to dress it up just a little bit, so I took some of this checkered ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just put a little bow on this one in the front here. So I'm just trying to size these up about where I want them on my board, and then I'm going to hot glue them down. Trying to keep them all about the same height. I mean, if they're off a little bit, no big deal. Okay, then I'm just gonna glue the sticks down a little bit on the top. I want these attached to the top. Okay, those are all glued on. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to cut some chunks of wood. Thinking I'm probably going to put it right about there. And I am going to stick them in between my brooms here. I'm not sure if I want two, like the thickness of 2 on here yet, but basically the idea is to make it look like it's actually hanging on something. Okay, so I figured out what I'm actually going to do to bump this up a little bit. I have this little chunk of a paint stir stick that I didn't realize that I had, and I am going to chop it up the same size as my pieces here, and I'm just going to glue those together and glue it underneath. Okay, so I have my pieces all cut, and now I am just gluing my craft sticks onto my paintbrush. Glue those together first, and then they're going to get glued onto my sign. So that's the hard part, trying to get it straight when I glue it onto my sign. Okay, then I'm going to try to line these up and get them glued down as evenly as possible. I'm just going to butt them right up to the broomstick handle. And try to keep them, get them. I just took out my light as straight as I can. I have my light literally hanging on my arm right now. I think this just gives it a little bit more, kind of maybe makes it look like some kind of hanger that you would stick your broom, you know, like if you had a rake or a broom or something in the garage. Those little things that you stick the handles in. Okay, so I got that all finished. Then the next thing I want to do is I'm going to take some of this creepy cloth that I have, and I'm going to cut some off of there, and I'm actually going to outline, I'm going to put some across the top and then some hanging down here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I basically just took the end of the creepy cloth and I cut down the middle, and now I'm just going to cut across the top up here. Oh, should have grabbed a better scissors. All right, so I'm just going to cut, there we go, across the top. I'm going to get rid of that. And then basically I'm going to hot glue this onto my sign. I'm just going to kind of play around with it until I get it to where I think I want it. I might have to cut some sections out that look a little too thick. All right, I have it arranged the way I want it, and now I am just going to start hot gluing my creepy cloth to my sign. Just basically going to go all the way around like this and just glue it down. There's no rhyme or reason to this, just trying to make it look like a cleaner border. So I'll probably be snipping some of the strings off if they're hanging funny and stuff like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that all hot glued on there. Okay, my sign is all finished. Trying to get the whole thing in there. I'll get some pictures of it at the end. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspires you, and I hope that you subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.